Hello, welcome back to YouTube. And in this video I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can go ahead and make money on Fiverr using these low competition underserved gigs. So the first thing what you need to do is to head over to Fiverr, and I'm going to be showing you these gigs one by one and how you can go ahead and start offering them. So the first one is this gig here of offering adding logos to a track. So it's like a highway truck that's carrying a trailer behind it and it's moving on the road. Then you just slap the logo of your customer on the side of the truck. So this is a very good gig because it's undersaturated. There's only 103 services available, and this means that you can get a high chance of making sales rather than competing for those highly concentrated gigs like logo design and graphics design. So this is a good one. It's still under the graphics and the logo design category, but it is a super niche down, so that you can even get your first sales in the first couple of weeks. So what you need to do is to go ahead. So let me open up one of these uh, these people here offering this gig. All you need to do is to go ahead and read through, see what the gig is all about, and see what they're writing, and go ahead and create a similar gig similar to this one, or you can model this one. Then you add all the requirements, add all your qualifications and all that stuff. So you can even reach out to this person and ask him, hey, where did you get those stock or footages stock footage and images you have used in your on your gig. You can also offer them a price and say, hey, if you can offer me like 50 of those videos or the footage you have used, then I'll pay you for this price. So they will be willing, since they want to make money, then they'll be more willing to offer you those footages. So you just go ahead and reach out to them, reach out to as many as you can, and see who gives you the best price so that you can go ahead and get that footage. So that is another good gig. Another good one you can try is Quora, this gig here. So if you type in Quora on Fiverr, there's this gig here of only one person that is offering this. And if you go over to Fiverr today, set up a gig similar to this one, you will only be competing with this person here who has been here offering this very gig. So right now he has one order in a queue, so that means he's making sales on a daily basis. And this means that you can also make the same gig, and it's a simple thing to do. I'll teach you a secret to growing on Quora. The secret to growing on Quora is very easy. You just need to find the right questions to answer. I've made a video about that. Medium, I've made a videos about Medium. You can watch those as well. It is a very simple gig. Just go ahead and watch the videos, make a simple handbook or something like a PDF, and offer that to these guys. So you can offer them a blueprint they can follow, or you can buy this very gig and then redo it in your own words and see what is offering. So that is something simple. You can go ahead and do that. Then another one that you can do that is quite not so saturated is this one of the YouTube subtitles. So if you go ahead and create a gig about YouTube subtitles, you're only competing with 285 services as per now of the time making these videos. So this one can easily be done. You just need to upload the video to YouTube. After some hours or minutes, YouTube automatically generates the subtitles in the back end, so you can just go ahead, download or watch the video as you take notes of them, then send them to the person who has purchased the gig from you. It is a simple task, and anybody can do this gig. You just need to just slap a simple image here to make it look and stand out against the competition, and you're good to go. So another one you can try is this one. I've already covered this one, so we're gonna close that one out. Then another one you can try is this one, the website chatbot. This is only having 323 services as per now. So how do you do this one? This one is a simple gig. You just need to take a couple of courses from Skillshare. I recommend Skillshare or Coursera. They have many um courses about chatbots, and this is a very simple thing to do. there are people who are making money just offering this simple gig, and it's just a simple chatbot. You just need to paste a simple piece of code in the website, and the chatbot is able to automatically pop up whenever somebody visits the website. So that is another gig. If you're into developing or anything like that, this is a gig you can offer on Fiverr. And Fiverr is not the only place you can offer this gig. You can offer it on Upwork, SEO clerks, and so many of these freelancing sites. So another one you can offer is the Convertkit one. It has only 97 services, so you can offer to make for people landing pages, offer to write them emails for their follow-up sequences. It is a simple gig, and to write the emails, all you need to do is to watch a couple of copywriting videos on YouTube. You can use the copywriting software like Closer's Copy. I'll leave a link to Closer's Copy in the description below. I'll also leave a link to Automatic Script, which I talked about in one of the videos, but it's a good one. So you can go ahead and use those softwares to write these emails. So that is another good gig. Convertkit, create landing pages, create a sales funnel, then create forms for people. It is a simple gig. You can even teach people how to use Convertkit and offer it as a service here. So that is another good way to make money. Then the other one that I really liked, and it is undersaturated, is the Medium articles. You can write for people Medium articles. Anybody can write an article. Just need to go out there, do the keyword research, find those articles, and then go ahead and offer that gig over here. So people will be more willing, and you can see these people are offering a paid. This person, I'll write exceptional articles for your Medium and LinkedIn blog, and is charging $32. So this is a good gig. You can make some good money of this. So the last one and the best one that I recommend you do is this one here that is called the cloud art. It's a good one because it's very easy. Anybody who even doesn't have these designing skills can do this using a couple of free tools online. So this one is just our design, the typography designer on the word cloud art. So it's, you just go ahead, look at this gig and see how they designed their gig. Model after this, just create a similar image, create sample images like those, then add the same description or change it up a little bit. Then you talk about your packages, and then add a picture of yourself, where you're from, everything, packages, create custom packages and everything, explain it in detail, and boom, you're ready to go. You're only competing with 400 people, which is by far little compared to those people who are doing logo design, whereby anybody can do a logo design. So how do you do this gig? It's simple. You head over to a free tool, free website called wordclouds.com, and what you need to do is to just simply head over to this website. They have a bunch of templates and sizes and shapes. So if you click on two shapes here, you see they have a bunch of shapes here. They have letters, they have colors. You can also upload your own. So this is a good tool, and you can do this gig starting even today because you don't need any experience. So how do you add the text? It is simple. Click on to word list here, then click on to where it says add. Here you can add the individual text by just typing like this, and if you want to just copy a custom script that has been given to you by a customer, just click on this. It will bring a pop-up, paste the script here, and click onto upright. So I'm going to paste that one in, then click on apply. Boom. So it has already generated for me the cloud art. All you need to do is just right click, save the image, send it to the customer, and you're done. So that has been it for this video. And once again, if you have any questions, leave them in the description below. Subscribe if you're new, leave a like on this video, and I'll see you guys. Take care.